We're in the airport now. We had to come a couple of hours early because my girlfriend needed a test, and the test centre is over there at Green Place. Just waiting for a result and waiting for the gate. Probably gonna get a coffee here. This little cafe.
So we're finally in Ibiza. It took us about 25 hours to get here, felt like. I'm gonna show you around the room now. It's quite a nice room. So as you come in, big bathroom there on the right. Big double bed and a little bed in case I get kicked out. TV. We've got this little balcony so we can chill out here. It's perfect. There's a little table for breakfast. And then I guess there's a way to put this thing up so we can just chill in the sun. Unless this is the only view. That's where we are. These are the sights. Does it lock? Yeah, it does lock. I have been in hotels where they don't actually lock. Bathroom is nice, everything's clean. Nice little bath there. Jacuzzi things. Just got to the hotel, well, like an hour ago. Had a shower to freshen up and stuff. And now we're walking to a supermarket just down the street so we can get some little snacks and stuff from for the hotel, and then going to find a restaurant, have some lunch, because we've been travelling since this morning and we're both quite hungry. The heat difference, even though I'm coming from Spain, coming from the north of Spain, like just to the Balearic Islands, but it's so humid here, so hot. We go and try and rent something, rent a moped or car or something. If we can get hold of, but we tried to call a few places then from here and they're all saying that they're completely sold out. Maybe we should have booked in advance. Might be hitchhiking around the island. Been walking around the town in San Antonio now for like 30-40 minutes trying to find somewhere to rent a moped or rent a car, rent anything so we can get around the island. We didn't think of doing it in advance and everywhere is completely booked up. Didn't think it'd be so busy. I'm gonna go and try another one now. Beautiful place though. Of course you get the bus to all the main places, but it's just some of the little secret beaches you really need a moped or a car for, so make sure you book in advance. Basically. I am sweating. Mission failed. We can't get a scooter today, so instead of trying to chase one round when we just definitely can't get one, we're just gonna get the bus to this nice town that we wanted to check out. Reserve a moped for tomorrow instead, or a car or something. We came to Ibiza town. If we get up to the top, we might be able to see that sun setting from up there, so that'd be pretty nice.